Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find remote job using the LinkedIn app. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to your account. On the bottom of your screen, tap the job icon. Now tap the search bar at the top. Type in the job title or role you are looking for. Once the results show up, look for the filter or all filter button. Here you can find this. Scroll down and select the section called Remote On-Site and tap Show Result. Want to save time later? Just tap Set Alert at the bottom, turn it on. This will send you notifications when your new remote job are posted that match your search. Now you will see a list of remote jobs only. Tap on any job post to read more. You can save, share and apply directly from the app. If it say easy apply, that means you can apply with just your LinkedIn profile. That's it. You have just filtered LinkedIn to show only remote job opportunities. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.